guys, this is Jennifer from HGLTECH. Today we are going to look at this big toy, HGLTECH Searover. Okay, now let's see what it had inside. An instruction, a battery charger, and accessory bag. It is for GoPro camera. Okay, now let's going to take this big toy out. This is HGLTECH Searover electric bodyboard. Her cool shade design like spaceship, powered by lithium battery. Weight 15.5 kg. Size 100 by 15 by 13.4 cm. It can be carried under your arm and fit in the trunk or among any vehicle. The contact part of the main body is made of EVA material. The side parts are made of ABS and PC. High quality, durable, and soft material can comfort your skin, so they prevent any injury from friction. Okay, now let's see the main part of the Searover. Here is the control board. This is the battery, and this is the thermostat. This is the control board, the brain of this Searover, controlling the machine. It equipped with 2.5-inch digital color screen. You can monitor the remaining power and device temperatures, also the speed in real time. Searover uses 18615 lithium battery, provide a quick charge that can be fully charged in just 2.5 hours. With rechargeable battery, it has a runtime of about 2 hours at low speed mode. The battery beam is a self-developed structure with advanced waterproof performance. We have applied for a utility model waterproofing pattern for it. By the way, this battery beam is made of fire-resistant material. Multiple protections are set up to eliminate any possibilities of electric leakage and guarantee the safety of user. Searover features 2 independent thrusters. The power of single thruster can reach 2,000 watts. The innovation design of 2 independent suspended dual thrusters make it more exclusive than ordinary electric bodyboard. Not only improve the power and stability, but also enable the thruster can be easily disassembled and repaired independently if any problem occurs during use, saving replacement costs and reducing difficulty. Okay, now we have turned this Searover over. Let's open the cover first. Here you can see that is a code, which is the unique identity code of each machine. It will be used for latest identifications or after-sales survey. Okay, next, I will show you how to plug the battery in. Okay, everything is done. Let's put on the cover. Let's turn on the Searover. Long pressing to start up. Then you can enter the system. You can see this is the battery power. This is the spin mode. Also the device temperatures are there. To change the setting, you just need to long pressing this setting button. Language, low battery warming, and modes are set here. When everything is done, long press again to long out. It comes with 3 speed modes, low, middle, and high. By pressing the speed button on the right handle, you can change the speed easily, just like this. No special skill are needed for driving it. Anyone who can swim or beginner, even children can learn to use it easily. Start and stop are controlled by one safety button on the left handle. By pressing the button, it will move immediately. By releasing the button, the unit will automatically stop to ensure that you are not going to get into any trouble when you are underwater or on the surface. Okay, today's the introductions of Searover is over. Let's see how it performs outside in different scenes like lake, swimming pools, and oceans. It not only can surf on the sea but also can dive in the sea, allowing more people to enjoy the fun in the sea. Searover have weight capacities of 115 kg, capable of loading speeds up to 7.2 km/h at low speed mode, 21.6 km/h at high speed mode, meeting the needs of various users. Low speeds for beginner and high speeds for thrill seeker. It is important to know that the speed of the device is based on rider's weight, the riding conditions, soft or fresh water, or other conditions. He or she can be expected to reach faster speed if rider's weight is lighter. The Searover does not need to rely on wind and wave. It is intended for calmer water. It is best used on lake, bays, cove, marina, river, oceans, swimming pool, water club, and yacht, where there are minimal to no wind present. Get rid of the weight restriction. You can enjoy to surf on the sea anytime. If you are a snorkeling lover or you are learning to dive, Searover is also perfect for you. It can dive to a depth of 3 meters, fully meet your snorkeling need. What's more, Searover itself has strong buoyancies. Even when it is not driven by power, it still can float on the water. You can use it even if you don't know how to swim, because it will keep you above the water stably. So, Searover not only can achieve your personal recreational purpose, but also it is an ideal life-saving equipment at the same time.